Welcome to One in Trinity's tutorial video. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of linking an existing baptism certificate from the archive to a member's profile. This feature comes in handy when a member's profile already exists and the sacrament certificate is in the archive, eliminating the need to add a new certificate. Instead, we can directly link the profile to an existing record. To start, navigate to the member's profile. You can also find the member using the Search Members function or the Global Search feature. Once on the member's profile, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the baptism. Here you'll find two options, Add and Link. Click on Link. A dialog box will appear with the search function. Input the member's name and the system will fetch the results from the baptism archive. For each entry in the archive that has not yet been linked, the system will show the name, baptism date, register reference number, and a link button. Click on the link button beside the correct result. A window will then open, displaying the details from the member's profile on one side and the details from the archive on the other. The system will cross-check these fields. The date of birth and gender must match exactly, while other details are left to the discretion of the person linking the certificate. For instance, the profile may display Ginny Ratchet, while the certificate shows Ginny R. Such small variations are left to the parish priest or concerned person to verify and approve. Once you've verified the details, click on the link button in the pop-up. And that's it. You've successfully linked an existing baptism certificate from the archive to a member's profile without needing to create a new one. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get updates about more videos of OIT.